Okay, so my name is Luis Enrique, and I'm going to explain the Raptor symbols. Raptor is a program where we can create algorithms or problems and solve them in a flowchart form. Uh, so let's start with the first symbol, which is an assignment. In the assignment, we can set a certain value to a given variable. So we use the assignment to declare variables. Those variables are going to be used in the algorithm. It can be at the first part of the algorithm and also in other parts where we do a different operation, and that's all for the assignment. Then we have the input. In the input is where we type the values that we're going to use, that we're going to analyze in the algorithm, the numbers which we are going to work. Then we have the output. The output is where the result is going to be printed, is going to be shown. In the output can be shown here and also here in a thing that it's called the master console, which tell us every number, every value analyzed in the whole algorithm. Then we have the selection. In the selection, we are going to establish a certain condition of the given values in this part. So depending of what value we type, it's going to go over the yes or the no. So that's all for the selection. Now we have the loop. The loop is used for multiple for different uses. So the principle is or the most important use for the loop, it's that it analyzes the numbers that were given, um, and it calculates the result that is finally shown in the last part of the algorithm. The loop can also be used to repeat or to start again the whole algorithm in the last part of the algorithm. Once you get the answer, you can be asked for a second chance or to type another value to get another answer and things like that. So once we analyze the whole symbols, we're going to go over an example where I use every symbol that we already analyzed. So it's a calculator of factorial numbers. Uh, and let's see what is a factorial number. The factorial number or factorial function means to multiply a series of descending natural numbers. For example, the 4 is multiplying 4 with 3, 2, 1, and the final answer is 24. Then we go to the example, and as you can see, I used two assignments to declare the, the values or the variables that I am going to use. Then I put an input where I'm going to type uh, every the values that we want to analyze in the algorithm, and there is the selection. The selection is for depending of the number we type. If it's greater than 0, it goes over the yes, and the algorithm starts to calculate the factorial number of a given number in this part. And if we type a negative number, let's remember that a negative number has no factorial number, so it's going to be wrong and it will end. So let's start with the 4. And as we see, the loop is calculating every possible value, and then the answer is shown, and we can see that the factorial number of 4 is 24, like in here. So what happens if we type a negative number? Let's see, a negative 4, it goes straight to the node, and finally it ends. There is not a factorial number. Why? Because we type a negative number. So this will be all, and thanks for watching.